Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Taylor Green and welcome to another compilation
Yes.
of a mixture of different wax removals.
Yeah. You got a couple of, I think there's one of mine and three of yours in here, isn't it, in this one?
Yeah. So a lot of sticky kind of dry wax in this one. And we do have a perforation.
We do, so make sure you stay tuned for that one.
Yeah, stay tuned. It's an interesting one. So yeah, this is, we can see we've got the standard size ulnar tube here. We've got some very sticky sort of, I don't know, a bit of a mixture of dry skin. We got some old wax in there. The patient has used a little bit of olive oil, so you can see that's where that kind of like the light sort of shining off the front surface of this, just to help us to remove this a bit easier. One last little wiggle should do it.
That stayed together quite nicely, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got. That's the problem with these ones. They always tend to sometimes break up into little pieces. And it's a bit of a nightmare. But there we go. It's all clear. We've got a bit of a tidy up to do now with these last little bits.
And we say this a lot. We bang this drum. We say, you know, technically you could, if you wanted to, leave that wax there.
Yeah.
Cue the aggressive comments. But we you know, it's just as easy for us to tidy it up, really. What you're seeing left there, we get lots of people say, oh, you didn't clean it completely. You can see this, that, and the other on it. What you're seeing there is just some sludgy oil, basically. There's a little bit of dry skin here at the base of the canal. Back in, you know, not the dry skin as such, but the oil can just stay there.
Yeah. And that will just start migrating naturally over time. It takes a little while for it to come out, but as long as the patient doesn't use any cotton buds or anything to try and remove it, it should be fine. It should be
naughty cotton bud users, you.
Naughty.
So just over half a centimetre that was, which I think is about 1/4 of an inch, just over, something along those kind of lines, I think. This is you again.
It's me again.
I'm going to drink my tea. You can voice this one over there. I saved my voice.
I didn't slip, I just slurp. So yeah, you can see we've got a very, very dry plug here. Now this was an annual review, so this is a yearly checkup of one of our patients. Now it kind of built up quite quickly, and we tend to find with the removals that have a lot of skin, a lot of keratin, they do tend to build up quite quickly.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, so microsuction is not really doing a great deal for us on this one, so. We got the trusty Rosen inserter in. I do love a Rosen inserter.
You do love a Rosen inserter. You do. I'm on the fence to the Rosen inserter. I don't know. I find it useful sometimes. I use it more for repositioning than anything else, I think.
Only when it's dry though.
When it's like this, it's a great tool when it's like this. That's true.
You could not use this if it was soft.
No.
You'll just tear straight through the middle.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've got a big piece out. Brought the deeper section forward, so we're just going to pop back, roll it forwards.
It's quite a bit, isn't it, for a 12-month?
It's quite a bit. It's quite a bit. The other side was clear. There was no wax at all on the other side.
That's mental. It happens a lot, though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You get one side, not the other. So nice, good chunk, guys. Yeah,
nice
fair play. Good job.
A little bit of a tidy up here now. Take these last little dry pieces away.
You can really see those kind of keratin layers there, can't you? Just peeling away, that almost like very dry sort of flakes, like cornflakes, that kind of thing.
Yeah. There we go.
Other breakfast cereals are available. Just so you know, guys.
Definitely. I do like food.
How come these videos we always end up talking? Every single time we talk about food. I think it's probably me.
There you go. Nice little
little mermaid.
It does. That was a good spot. Brilliant. There you go. Next one is yours, I think.
I think the next one's the perforation. So yeah, next one. So what have we got there? That's 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters. Now people would have spotted that little bit of dry skin on the right hand side as I'll do this. Actually, it will migrate out. That's what I need to say, because this one's a short one. I'll talk straight over this one. So this lovely lady came through. She'd had a really, really bad infection, bless her, and she came through for us to clear out some debris. Now, when we take this away, she's been at the GP. GP saw the debris. She's been on lots of different antibiotics, antifungals, bless her. She's had lots and lots going on. In fairness, the GP did swab, which makes it 10 times easier because you can find out what is causing the infection in the first place, whether it's a kind of bacterial, whether it's fungal. So we're getting this debris out, but take a look at the eardrum beyond it now. We've got a couple of things on this eardrum. The first of which is a perforation. Now you'll be able to spot the perforation really easily. And just above the perforation, you'll see a really dark red spot. Now that's normally a sort of sign of barotrauma. So I think this perforation may have happened following the infection. Difficult to say, because the patient's never experienced any problems with infections up until the last one. And since then, she's having pain every time she puts drops in the ear. And that you'd expect if there was a perforation beforehand that would be happening anyway. Yeah. So, yeah, a funny old one, that one.
Yeah, that would have really affected the hearing as well.
It would have, yeah.
A big perforation like that will just, well, it'll just completely lower the...
it will. It will. And
the hearing.
The thing is, we don't know whether that patient, we don't know whether that perforation is going to be able to heal back up. So we're going to send that patient through to ENT, get them to do an assessment just in case, because we don't know the age of it and we don't know whether, because it's quite a big perf, they don't always heal particularly well. So this is yours again.
So this is mine, yep, last one of the compilation. So this is a hearing aid user from ourselves actually. The patient presented with issues with the hearing aid whistling. Now if you are a hearing aid user yourself and your hearing aid starts randomly whistling out of the blue, it could be to do with wax.
Yep.
So get your ears checked for wax.
Yes.
Or any foreign body.
Yeah, we've had it before, and when patients have reported feedback, and we're kind of like, it's probably wax. You've taken a look in a hearing aid dome.
Dome or,
cotton bud, battery you had, didn't we, in Waxmas. Yeah. If you haven't checked that one out, check that one out. That's a really good video. That's a good video.
Interesting.
I've
never seen that before.
I've never had a battery. I've had battery covers, the sticky tabs off the top. I've had those before now, but I've never had battery.
So you can see, just again popping in with the rosin inserter. I gotta move this really slowly because it's so thin, these rosin inserters. The problem we normally get is it just shears through the wax and the skin that's in the ear. But we're gonna do a really, really slow pull here now. I was quite surprised how much came out actually, because that bit that was behind there, I honestly thought this was only going to be what we could see at the front. Yeah. But it's quite a big piece. Patient was quite surprised as well because they actually felt their ear was fine. They didn't actually realise there was wax in there.
That's crazy.
They only presented because of the feedback.
Yeah.
So nice easy one there. We got just over a centimetre.
So that's half an inch. Guys, don't forget, if you do like the video, if you could do me a favour and like it, if you want to, you can share it as well. You're more than welcome to. If you watch this channel and you've never seen the videos before, don't forget you can subscribe or follow the channel depending on what you're watching this on. And guys, if you have problems with your ears yourself, you can always check out the link tree in the description. It will take you through to the website. You can take a look at us on there. Actually, the link tree will show you loads of different stuff. It'll show you all our social media channels, website, or any appearances we've done on radio, TV, stuff like that. It's all on there as well, so you can have a look at that as well. So guys, thank you very much for watching our video again today. My voice is about to go, I can feel it. So as always guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another as well. Myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green, we'll see you for the next video as well. Bye everyone.